Kuya! Kuya! Video. Welcome to La Mesa.
So this is the motorcycle park, and we have many streets here, and we're in the middle of the forest, man. And you know, this is full of plastic.
What are you saying, you fucking bullshit? Joke lang. Wow, ang ganda ng mga tubig.
That was 10 feet deep, and
Ba't parang ano, chocolate yung tubig?
10 feet deep,
10
and
feet. Ang lalim pala nito, no?
yeah,
Oh, there's a lot of people.
yeah. The fish here, you know this Pampagilip
Ano
Sea.
yan pang ano? Dali pa, paano mo? Yan.
Wait lang ha. Kada picture ko may dalang plastic eh. Wait lang. No.
May gano'n.
This is the capital of Quezon City, man.
Or we call it a Baguio. Joke lang.
Oh, Jerome.
But this Baguio is so very hot.
Capital of Quezon City.
Ay, may salamin pala sa ano mo eh. Ay lang. Okay pala eh.
Handsome?
No, you're so ugly. Very, very ugly.
Joe.
Just stay there. No?
Dito ka, oh.